Hi, it's me again, Marcus Third Sabili, and today I'm going to demonstrate on how to use a multimeter or multitester to measure the resistance, current, and voltage. So now I'm going to demonstrate on how to use a multitester to measure the resistance, current, and the voltage. We have a resistor here. Color code is brown, red, orange, and gold. So it means that the resistor is at 12,000 ohms. Let's go check it. Before we use the multitester, we have to make sure that there is a continuity in our multitester. So check. Now I'm gonna move to times 1K to measure the resistance of the resistor. We have to calibrate it first. Make sure that the pointer is at 0 ohms. So here is our resistor. I'm gonna measure its resistance. As you can see in the scale, the pointer is at 12 ohms. So multiply it by 1000. So the total ohms of the resistor is 12,000. Let's try the other resistor. It has the same color code. Let's check. So same, it is at 12. That means that's 12,000. So here is our series connection. Battery is 9 volts and 2 resistors having 12,000 ohms. Let's measure the voltage of each resistor. So make sure that the range selector is at DC volts 10. So let's measure our dry cell. It's at 9 volts. And then the resistor 1, (4.1). Our resistor 2 is 4.1. Our resistor 1 is also 4.1. To check our current, we will put our selector to 2.5 milliampere. I'm gonna remove this and let's measure the current. It says here that the current is at 0.450 milliampere. Let's check the resistor. .450 milliampere. So it's all the same. That's all. Thank you.